Okay, in this video we are going to begin with the basics. We are going to construct a house, and I'll give you a step-by-step on the very basics of a house, and we'll get into details with that later. Here we go. So we're going to click on the house icon, and we will be drawing the house in 2D version first, as you can see. So you have your measurements. Once you take your measurements and you plot them down onto the 2D version, then there you go. It's very simple. You can get the perspective look. And now we're going to adjust it. We're going to create first a basement, and we'll hide that, and we'll get into why we do that later. So there we have our basement. It's again a very simple thing. We are now going to bury that basement into the ground, and we'll leave it above the ground about a foot, because that's about the average of concrete that you see. And then we're going to copy and paste it and pull up a second version. We're going to go ahead and put some brick on that instead of concrete. So we can separate the two. And this is a good brick to pick. So there you have it. We're going to take that. Now we're going to settle it onto the basement. And the reason why we do the basement is because if you ever have a walkout or you have to dig window wells or whatever, that you have concrete there, and you can add windows and whatnot. But we'll get into that later. So here we have the walls. They are down now onto the basement, and we're going to put the new roof on there. And it's a very simple tool. You can adjust the roof. You can put peaks on the front and the back, whatever you want to do, or whatever house you're trying to match up. We're going to go ahead and put some windows and some doors on there, and place them in the proper places. And then you're going to find that you're going to have the finished look of a very basic house. Once we have the house finished, we will go ahead and start doing landscaping. So we'll get into the details a little bit later. We like to keep our videos short. So any questions or comments, feel free to comment on our video. Be sure to visit our website at landscapingadvisors.com. And we'll look forward to hearing from you, and enjoy the next video.